Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix night owl camera is not connecting to Wi-Fi in 2026. Now, night owl systems do not always connect directly like the normal cameras. Many modes connect through a DVR or NVR or hub and not directly to Wi-Fi. So if that device is not connected to the internet, your camera will never connect. So in this situation, what you need to do is you need to simply check the Ethernet cable between the recorder and the router. You need to look for the network status light, which should be stable and not blinking. You need to make sure that it shows connected inside the application. If the recorder is offline, you can fix that first, and this is the root cause in most of the cases. Now, during the setup, both your phone and the camera system must be on the same Wi-Fi network. So if your phone is on mobile data or a different Wi-Fi, pairing will fail, which is a common mistake. So you can simply turn off the mobile data, then you can connect phone to your home Wi-Fi. After that, you can try the setup again. Night owl specifically requires same network pairing during the setup. Night owl wireless cameras have limited range. Typical range is around 300 feet max, but walls and the obstacles reduce it a lot. So if the signal is weak, you can move the camera closer to the router or the recorder. Avoid thick walls, metals or corners. You can reposition the antenna if it is available. Weak signal can also cause the setup failure and incomplete connections. Now, instead of the random restarts, you can follow this order. First of all, you need to basically turn off the camera or the recorder. After that, you need to turn off your router. Then simply wait for 1 to 2 minutes, and then you need to turn your router back on. Then turn the camera system on. So this particular reset the connection cleanly and fixes many pairing related issues. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.